everyone, welcome back. This is Javi Rockin Kitchen all the way from Isla Mujeres, and today we're going to mix something like a kind of innocent drink, but hey, watch out. Alright, we're making the worldwide famous Dirty Monkey, and other places known as Monkey Business, but I would call it Dirty Monkey. Alright, so here it is. It is a beautiful cocktail, a little sweet, but hey, it's going to be amazing. Follow us, come on, Javi's Rockin Kitchen. Alright my friends, and remember I told you it's going to be delicious, but do not let it fool you because it's going to be a little strong. It's going to be delicious, but a little strong, alright? It's our Dirty Monkey. It starts with a little bit of ice. Well, let's just pour a good amount of ice, something like that, maybe half a cup, okay? And immediately right after that, we're gonna add a little bit of the vodka. We're gonna take maybe an ounce and a half, which is like about this much, okay, vodka right there. Okie dokie. We're gonna use the same thing for Jameson, our Irish whiskey. All right, about the same, 2/4 of an ounce, ounce and a half. Okay, and we're gonna use only about half an ounce of coffee liqueur, just something like that. Okay, perfect. We'll just add it to there. Alrighty, and we're gonna need a little bit of the chocolate syrup. Just drizzle it all over. Okay, drizzle that. We're gonna also use whipped cream, but I made my own at home. And so here it goes. I'm gonna use mine. I'm gonna pour about this much of whipped cream. Delicious, actually homemade. We're gonna add one banana right there. Yoo-hoo! One banana. And we're also gonna have a banana liqueur. We're also using ounce and a half. So we had 4 liqueur items in there. As I said, don't let it fool you. Okay? And so immediately we're just gonna put them in our Vitamix. Remember, you can find the description of this beautiful product in our links under the video. Remember at this point as well, share it with all your friends, connect with this channel, make comments. Please let me know what you're thinking. If you liked it or not, that's more than welcome also. Please let me know your comments below. It's important for us to keep going on this beautiful channel. Thank you so much, everyone. We're gonna blend it. Okay, now my friends, our cocktail is almost ready in there. So what we're gonna actually need is a little bit of back to our chocolate syrup, and we're gonna do this is drizzle our glass, something like that, something like that. Okay. Now that we have it, we're gonna pour our cocktail in there. Okay? Look at how beautiful. Oh my god. Oh, it's gonna be delicious. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab a little spatula that I have in here, and I'm gonna drizzle this whipped cream on top of it, just like this. Alright, and I'm also going to finish with a banana peel, something like this, my friends, of course, and voila, the Monkey Business Dirty Monkey cocktail. There you go. And also we're gonna use a straw. I'm gonna use it in a minute so you can enjoy it. Okay, this is it. I hope you enjoy it. Remember, click on Javi's Rockin Kitchen all the way from Isla Mujeres. I hope you enjoy this cocktail because it's delicious. Be careful though.